Today we're making cottage cheese ranch dip. It's packed full of protein and perfect for dipping vegetables in, and it's only made with 2 ingredients. So I have my mini food processor here. I'm going to add in a whole 16 ounces of cottage cheese. And we're adding in 1 ounce of ranch seasoning mix. We're just going to blend this up until it is nice and smooth. Alright, that is all nice and smooth. If this is too thick for you, you can add in a little bit of milk just to help loosen that up a bit. I'm going to garnish the top with a little bit of dill weed. This step, of course, is optional. And it is ready.